Mitzy Makes It, a Princess Crown, written and engineered by Shazzy and Gulo. Hi, I'm Mitzy the Maker, and this is my workshop, where imagination comes to life and big ideas never stop. I've made a watch that is blue, and a castle with a view, a silly mess of goo, and even a flying shoe. Small, big, silly, or complex, anything you can think of, you can do. Today, I'm going to make a princess crown to wear to the park and then all over town. I start with a design, something sure to make it shine. Different shapes and sizes with my pencil I make, even building one out of yummy cake. But after all my doodles, I must decide on one, and it's not the one made of noodles and chewing gum. It's the one made of sweets, so I mustn't eat all the treats. It is time to gather and prep, which is of course the second step. I'll need paper, candy, and glue to make this magnificent hat, using the supplies in my shop scattered this way and that. In step 3, I will need to measure with a ribbon or thread the exact size and shape of my pretty little head. Only then can I cut the paper so I can be crowned, up and then down, then snip, 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 all the way around. I paste on triangle after triangle as onwards I go. When I give it some color, that is when my imagination begins to flow. Now that I have built the foundation, it's time to decorate my creation. A pattern is a shape that endlessly repeats, like in step 4 with all these tasty colored sweets. I've added a decoration made of squishy marshmallow. I must then give it a splash of purple or yellow. Let me count the jelly beans before I proceed. To encircle the crown, 10 pieces I'll need. Of the purple I have 11, and of the yellow only 7. I have more of the purple, even 1 extra to eat. It will be perfect. My crown is almost complete. From start to finish and all the steps in between, I have built a crown that's truly fit for a queen. Each thing I make teaches me something new. All it takes is one big idea, and it can come from you. Since anything you make gets better when you share, I'm going to make a second crown for a friend to wear. The final step is to teach all that you know, because learning and sharing helps everyone grow.